Problem solving method. The child is curious by nature. He wants to find out solutions of many problems, which sometimes are puzzling even to the adults. The problem solving method is one which involves the use of the process of problem solving or reflective thinking or reasoning. Problem solving method, as the name indicated, begins with the statement of a problem that challenges the students to find a solution. According to Gane, problem solving is a set of events in which human beings use rules to achieve some goals. Asubel said that problem solving involves concept formation and discovery learning. According to T.M. Risk, problem solving is a planned attacks upon a difficulty or perplexity for the purpose of finding a satisfactory solution. Steps of problem solving method. The first step is identifying and defining the problem. The student should be able to identify and clearly define the problem. The problem that has been identified should be interesting, challenging, and motivating for the students to participate in exploring. The second step is analyzing the problem. The problem should be carefully analyzed as to what is given and what is to be found out. Given facts must be identified and expressed if necessary in symbolic form. The third step is formulating tentative hypothesis. Formulating of hypothesis means preparation of a list of possible reasons of the occurrence of the problem. Formulating of hypothesis develops thinking and reasoning power of the child. The focus at this stage is on hypothesizing, searching for the tentative solution to the problem. The fourth step is testing the hypothesis. Appropriate method should be selected to test the validity of the tentative hypothesis as a solution to the problem. If it is not proved to be the solution, the students are asked to formulate alternate hypotheses and proceed. The final step is verification of the result. No conclusion should be accepted without being properly verified. At this step, the students are asked to determine the results and substantiate the expected solution. The student should be able to make generalizations and apply it to their daily life. Now, example. Define union of two sets. If A is the set containing 3 elements 2, 3, 5, B containing 3 elements 3, 5, 6 and C containing 3 elements 4, 6, 8, 9, prove that A union B union C is equal to A union B union C. To solve this problem, the first step is identifying and defining the problem. After selecting and understanding the problem, the child will be able to define the problem in his own words that the union of two sets A and B is the set which contains all the members of a set A and all the members of a set B. The union of two sets A and B is expressed as A union B and symbolically represented as A union B is equal to X, such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B. The common elements are taken only once in the union of two sets. The second step is analyzing the problem. After defining the problem in his own words, the child will analyze the given problem, that how the problem can be solved. Now, the third step is formulating tentative hypothesis. After analyzing the various aspects of the problem, he will be able to make hypothesis that first of all he should calculate the union of sets B and C, that is B union C. Then the union of set A and B union C. Thus he can get the value of A union B union C. Similarly, he can solve A union B union C. The fourth step is testing hypothesis. Thus, on the basis of the given data, the child will be able to solve the problem in the following manner. And after solving the problem, the child will analyze the result on the basis of given data and verify his hypothesis whether A union B union C is equal to A union B union C or not. The last step is verification of the result. After testing and verifying his hypothesis, the child will be able to conclude that A union B union C is equal to A union B union C. Thus, the child generalizes the result and apply his knowledge in new situations. Merits of problem solving method. This method is psychological and scientific in nature. It helps in developing good study habits and reasoning powers. It helps to improve and apply knowledge and experience. This method stimulates thinking of the child. It helps to develop the power of expression of the child. The child learns how to act in new situation. It develops group feeling while working together. Teacher becomes familiar with his pupils. It develops analytical, critical and generalization abilities of the child. This method helps in maintaining discipline in the class. Now, demerits of problem solving method. This is not suitable for lower classes. There is a lack of suitable books and references for children. It is not economical. It is wastage of time and energy. Teachers find it difficult to cover the prescribed syllabus. To follow this method, talented teachers are required. There is always doubt of drawing wrong conclusions. Mental activities are more emphasized as compared to physical activities. Problem solving method can be an effective method for teaching mathematics in the hands of an able and resourceful teacher of mathematics. Now try this. Discuss problem solving method with suitable example. What are the advantages and disadvantages of problem solving method of teaching mathematics?